Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Harida. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Thank you for supporting the channel. And if you're new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I post a new video. So here I talk about skincare, lifestyle, and a little bit of unboxing here and there. So if this sounds like what you'll be interested in, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So guys, today I'll be talking about this is an updated video of Medix 5.5. I've talked about it before in my previous video. So this is me bringing you guys an updated video of how it's been. Like, this is my third bottle right now. For someone that I've used three bottles of the Medix 5.5, here is what I have to say about the lotion. So guys, this is the lotion I'm talking about here. This Medix 5.5. This is the first one I used that I reviewed. It's finished, nothing there. The second one too is finished, nothing there. And the third one I bought the third one, but I didn't buy this particular one. I got this one. So this is the three bottles I've used. So if I'm talking about this, if I want to talk about this lotion, I know what I'm saying. I've used it. It's not like, some people just buy one cream and one lotion and they'll be like, oh, it's not doing anything for me. They will just switch. So I've used it, the first one, I used the second one, this is the third one. And for me to even buy it up to this point, that means that there is something good about this lotion. So that means there is something good about this lotion. This is it, the 3 empty bottles. So guys, what do I have to say about this after using the whole 3? So I've done review about this one before. I've done a review. If you want to see what I said concerning this one, you can just go and check it out. So like, I'm not reviewing any cream, I'm not reviewing this lotion now. I just want to give you guys my opinion after using these 3 bottles. So you can go and check out the video of this one. Okay guys, this is what I have to say about it. This is the one I got first and it was nice. The first video I made about this Medix 5.5, I said it was just giving me that glow effect and that's it. But guys, this lotion brightens up the skin. If you're patient with it and you use it the right way, it brightens up the skin. It won't lighten it like lighting, but you will see the difference. Like, it will brighten up your skin, clear off dark knuckles if you have any, clear off any dark scars or dark anything on your body. This lotion is really nice. Is really amazing. I don't know if I've ever recommended any lotion like this before, praising the lotion or anything, but this Medix 5.5, now I see why people are buying it, like they are rushing it. So guys, if you've not gotten this lotion and you just want to brighten up your skin, if you're looking to lighten or whiten your skin, this is not the lotion for you. Like, it will not do any of those. But if you want to brighten up your skin and see that glowing effect, you want your skin to glow, you can just get any of this. You can just get this Medix 5.5. So like, for me, so the only downside for me here is that I have this stretch mark on my arm, and this lotion, although it's not, I didn't get it from this lotion though. I did not get it from this lotion. The only thing was that it was making it so bright and it's making the stretch mark so obvious. That's why I went and bought this one, because this one is more like cellulites, dark marks, kind of friendly. It's smooth and it smoothes the look of cellulite, dimples, lips, and so I was thinking maybe this one would do the work for me, but this actually helped me. It didn't make that part so obvious. But the only downside about this one again is I am not getting the brightening. I'm not getting the brightening effect that this one is doing for me. Show you guys that this life don't balance. Like, really, this life don't balance at all. I like this one. It's giving me the brightening effect I want. It's glowing up my skin. It's doing everything I've ever wanted in a cream or anything that I want a lotion to do for me. but this stretch mark I have here is making it look so obvious. Then I got this one that is now helping me tone down and making the stretch mark rhyme with my skin, and it's not giving me the brightening effect that I want. So that is it. So what I'm going to say now, I'm going to tell you how I use this thing and it's working, because the first time I got it, I was even discouraged. Like, I wasn't really happy because it was just glowing my skin. I wasn't seeing the brightening effect. They say a firming and brightening cream, transforming vitamin C lotion that has vitamin C, should brighten up the skin now, promotes bright even tone, antioxidant turmeric, supports firm youthful looking skin, features revitalizing skin, plumping moisturizers. So this lotion should do more of these things it's saying to my skin. So what I was just getting there was just the glowing effect of the lotion. So what now happened is that I started using scrubbing my skin. So that brings me to another point, guys. If you don't scrub your skin, it's very important for you to scrub your skin, because you'll be using something on your skin. You know, this scrub helps remove dead skin cells, and when you're applying this lotion, there's no how you're not removing those dead skin cells. You are now putting another lotion on top of it. It will not just work. All the lotion will just be hanging on the, or maybe the dead skin cells will just be eating them up. So but when you scrub your skin, you remove those dead skin cells, and any lotion you're using, you allow it, and it opens your pores as well. So any lotion you use, it do not enter and work the way it's supposed to work. So I'm going to be showing you guys this scrub I use, not just anyhow scrub. I've done review of 2 scrubs here before, but the one I'm using now is the bomb. Like, guys, is the real deal. So and one good thing about the scrub is that it's for face and body. It's for face and body. I'm going to talk about that scrub in my next video, so please watch out for that. And again, I'm going to talk about another soap I'm using with this, because in my last video people were asking me which soap I'm using with it, and then I was using extract. Don't get me wrong, extract is still nice, it's still okay, but I would say if you're using extract, you can use it with this one. Get extract with this one, but with this one you can get kojic acid soap. That's what I'm using now. You know, kojic acid is a lightening agent. So you can use this one with that kojic acid soap. But another thing you have to note is that kojic acid soap has so many fakes out there. Like, I didn't even know. I bought one thinking I got the original. Then I was breaking out. I was like, this is not kojic, because I've used kojic acid soap in the past. Like, this is not what is going on. Then I started doing my research. I started digging, looking for what is going on. Then I found out that I bought the fake one. So don't worry, guys. I will talk about it in another video, because that soap you really need to know and different. If you can't even know from the packaging, it's very difficult to tell from the package, because the one I got, the packaging was so, because they have the one that they did, when you buy it, you will see Nigerian address there. But this one I got, when I went to the store to buy it, I saw the one that has Nigerian address there, and I saw this one that is like direct from the company. I was like, okay, this is it, not knowing that one too is fake. Guys, it's a long thing, but don't worry, I will talk about it in another video, and I will do experiment. I will show you what to look out for when getting that soap. So get this Medix if you want to brighten up your skin and you want to see the brightening effect. Get this Medix one. Get the scrub I'm going to show you on. I'm going to show you guys, and the kojic acid soap I'm going to show you guys as well. Get these 3. I didn't use this on my face because I was having that burning sensation. Then I have this face cream I used on my face, which has been amazing. Like, I don't know if you have been following my video, you will know that I'm looking for face cream that will just, I don't want to even lighten or whiten, just glow my skin for me and make my face smooth. And this face cream I got is doing it for me. So I'm still going to talk about it if you are using this on your face and it's not nice, because apart from this thing giving me that burning sensation on my face, it still causes breakout and all that. So if you're not using this on your face, some people use it on their face and it's nice, but if it's not working for you, don't worry. I'm going to share that face cream as well, and that face cream is natural and is It doesn't have any, I don't think it have any irritating thing inside. It's good for sensitive skin. If you have sensitive skin as well, that face cream will do well for you. Because me now, I'm gonna be trying to, which cream will I get, which cream will I, I've just been so indecisive about getting a lotion. But this is it for me. Any lotion I buy now, I find myself going back to this one. Like, if I buy lotion now today, after using it for some time, I will say, I will just see myself going back to this Medix again. Like, I don't think I will, even if I change lotion tomorrow, I will still have a bottle of Medix in case of anything. I'll just go back to it. Is it the brightening effect? Is it the smoothness? Is it the giving you an even skin tone? Is it the softness? What do I want to say about this? You should come and endorse me. It's just come and endorse me, like, but this is really good and people are buying it. People that have been using it for long, they can say more, beautiful things about it. So let me know in the comment section, guys, if you're using this one and how is it on your skin? How has it been so far? Are you liking it? Do you like it? Do you like it? Do you like the effects it's giving you? Because some people buy this cream, they think it will lighten up their skin. It doesn't lighten up your skin. It just brightens up the skin. So, and again, there's one somebody mentioned in the post that the one they bought is yellow. I think I still have small here. See, this one is white. Doesn't really smell, but it's nice. I like how you moisturize the skin as well. Like, it goes in pretty well. It's moisturizes the skin very, very well. I love this Medix. It's nice. So this is white. I think the lady that bought the one that is giving her yellow something. There is this one that has yellow 5 on the ingredients list. You see it down there that it has yellow 5. This one doesn't have yellow 5. So that yellow 5 is just a dye. That's what gives it the color, if I'm not mistaken, because that's why, because those ones that has yellow 5 are the one that the cream is quite not white like this one. So the lady was wondering maybe she got the fake one or something. But that one, why that one is that color is because of the yellow 5 that it has. So the one I've been buying is white and is working so well for me. So guys, if you've watched up to this point, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I post a new video. So just a quick one, if you're using this one, you have those issues, cellulites, stretch mark, sagging skin, you can get this one, get the extract soap, and get that scrub I'm going to talk about. Then for this one, you want to brighten up your skin. You want your skin to bright and shine and glow. Get this one. Get this and get the soap as well. So guys, that will be all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you pick one or two from it. So thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye.